Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P30 Pro. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, open Play Store and download this app, Battery Sound Notification. Then open it. Tap plus and choose mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then choose sound source between audio file
I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated.
ringtone, or text to speech.
Connected.
Then name your function. And give it description. After all, save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.